Hi guys, that moment you start to want simple makeup and no drama. That's the moment when maturity begins. So today we are doing makeup that doesn't have drama. We are just moisturizing our face, and after moisturizer we go on with the primer. So use a primer that is mattifying and just apply it on the T-zone where the skin tends to oily a lot. And then after that we go with our foundation. So we just apply the foundation that matches our neck most especially. So if you don't know which foundation to go for, just get a foundation that goes with your neck but doesn't have to directly go with your face, because at times your face can be darker than your neck. So after you apply makeup on your face, it won't match with your neck. So that's why we need to match our foundation most of the times with our neck. It doesn't have to be too far from there. So that's what I always try to do. So I'm just setting with the powder. So right now I'm setting. You can use any powder of your choice just to set. I just set under eye. That's where I am mostly concentrating on. So we don't want there to crease, because that's the place where it mostly crease. And now I'm going with the lip liner to apply